Hi friends, welcome to Kidz Vidz. I hope you're all doing well. So remember in one of my previous videos, I made the cardboard iPhone 12 and that got tremendous responses on it. And if you want that video, link is in the description down below. So in this video, I decided to make a paper iPhone 12 mini. And you heard that right, just paper. So the materials you'll need are just 2 sheets of A4 paper and sketch pens, markers, or gel pens for decoration. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we want to take this paper and fold it in half. And give a nice tight crease to it. Now, you want to take these two sides and you want to fold them in. Do the same on the other side also. So next, you want to take these two parts and you want to fold them in this line. Again, please give a tight crease. So, whatever you made, it should look something like this. Okay, the next thing you want to do is take these two and fold them in here, in these parts. Now, you want to flip your iPhone and you want to divide this square, this rectangle into 3 parts. So, take this part and fold it here. And then you want to unfold this. And the reason why I folded it here, because it will be easier to fold here. Okay, now after you folded it here, you want to take these two corners and you want to tuck it into these pockets. And also, after you tuck it in, give it a tight crease. Or maybe just like push it down. So, what you've created, your phone should look something like this. Next step is to take the second sheet of paper and you want to fold it in half. And again, give it a tight crease to it. And also, if you're not using scissors, be sure to crease it with your fingernail, so it'll be easier for you to rip. You want to fold it the opposite side and crease it again. Let's do this one more time. Now you want to rip it a bit over here, and then you want to take both of your hands and then you want to carefully rip it. I told you, you won't need any scissors for this. Next, you want to take one half and you want to fold it in half again. Now, you want to take this strip and you want to tuck in. Before you tuck this in this pocket over here, be sure to put your finger in both of these holes. So it'll make it easier for you to tuck this strip inside. Okay, now you can fold it over it so it'll cover up the line over here. And slide this part in this pocket over here. And give a nice tight little crease to it. And if it's a little too long, you can take the remaining part and you can tuck it back in there. So now the front of the screen should be covered. Now let's do the same thing to cover the back side also. So fold this in half and repeat the same steps. Now our iPhone is finally ready, but there's only one step left, decorating it. So as you can see, like this iPhone, these are completely covered up, which makes it look very good. And look at the thickness of it. It looks very good. Now it's time to decorate it. Dun-dun-dun! My iPhone 12 mini is finally ready. So as you can see, this gorgeous wallpaper and camera notch, and this awesome back camera and Apple logo. Bye guys! If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have any suggestions for me to make in any of my other videos, please put it in the comment section down below. Bye! Stay tuned for the next video.